Buddy's gotta get his breakfast special.
Too early for this, bro.
Alright, buddy, go ahead. Start queefing.
I'm not. What?
Let's get the reveal.
Look at this
of the
shit.
breakfast special.
Look at
that
this shit.
Fit the salami lid.
This shit is so good.
This is the American dream right here. They're selling Harry Potter and lean to children these days.
And it changed color.
And they change color. Isn't that such a great Christmas fireplace?
You feel so warm.
I feel so warm. I hate car-based infrastructure. Conway.
What the fuck are you doing?
I didn't do anything.
Dude, okay. You literally woke up Conway.
There's a what?
A rat?
There's a rat?
Yes.
Dude, it's out. Dude, it's fuck. It's out. Oh, dude, it's out.
No, it's not. You're fucking.